Want to install Facebook Messenger on Samsung Galaxy? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can easily install Facebook Messenger on your device. The first thing you want to do is open the Play Store app. Make sure to log into your account. If you haven't, you can simply sign in using your Google account. Now tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar. Now search Messenger or Facebook Messenger. Out of the search results, this is the application that you want to select. Now go ahead and tap on the install option. Once you tap on install, it will now start to download the Messenger app. It might take some time depending on the speed of your internet. Once it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. After it has been installed, simply tap on the open option. Now use your Facebook credentials to get logged into your Messenger app, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.